Are you guys ready for what is definitely the sexiest shopping cart welding cart build ever to grace the YouTube screen? This time, as you can see, I went for a wide body version. The car's going to be so narrow, why not have a wide welding cart? Right, I'm going to put the gas bottle quite far forward in this one, in this area, and then it won't be so back half heavy. Yeah, let's get chopping. You guys will be happy to know that I've washed all the Corolla virus of it, so I will not be buying a Toyota Corolla anytime soon. This is where she's going to live, so we're going to take some off until it fits all the way underneath. As I say, oh, and a quality fire, had a bit of a fire, so, you know, it's had a good life. Rolls like a Rolls Royce. Oh, she's smooth. Hole for the gas bottle has been cut. Now, we're doing cuts along there to take the front down. Fits. Yeah. Okay. Oh, not quite. Not quite. Ooh, it's close. There we go. Okay. "99% of the time that's going to be fine, but we need to figure out, oh, look at that, what's what we can do." Okay. Yeah, no, doesn't come out far enough. Bugger. Well, it's fine for now. I'm totally happy with it. That's that. Then I like to think that my fabricating has got so much better, but this was just a better trolley. This was just a better trolley. Shopping cart, sorry. Power cable is there. Ground, earth, ground. Under there. Time for the beauty shots. Scratch the beauty shot being the last thing, because we have a power cable storage device right there. And I think what I'm going to do now is I don't know how to do it. The ground wire. How am I going to do the ground wire? I don't want to do it on the outside because it'd be too wide. How do we do it? No, it'd be too bulky. And the ground wire is going to stay there. It can just loop there. Right, so there we go. It's too hot to put the wire on right now because I just welded it, so. Thank you for watching that, guys. If you want to head over to Instagram, Nathan's Garage Official, the photo of this has gone way bigger than my normal stuff. Head over, leave a like and a comment, and normal programming shall be resumed tomorrow. Thanks again.